Wow. Musical instrument. Would that be a way to encourage a gifted child? Just give me a sign. It works for me. So, what do you like, Lisa? Violin, tuba-ma-ba, oboe-ma-bo?
That one.
Oh, saxophone. $200? Oh, I'll take it.
Would you like an inscription, sir?
Yeah, to Lisa. Never forget your daddy loved. Oh! And that inscription is still there today.
Wow, so that's how Lisa got her sax.
Next, I'll tell you the origin of Maggie's pacifier.
What origin? We get them for $1.95 down at the Safeway.
Well, I really liked that story. But it still doesn't fix this.
You know, Homer, I think we have some money in the air conditioner account again.
Oh, but Marge, am I